Good afternoon. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. Welcome to Tom's Tech Tips. This is episode number 40. In today's episode, we're going to go over a feature inside of the Google Suite of tools. So you have docs, sheets, slides, etc., where you can not only insert a comment, but you can actually assign that comment to someone else to take a look at, to add some more details, and then get back to you. And then we'll also show how you can search your Google Drive for documents that are awaiting comments from you. So let's get started. We're going to open up a document here. Okay. So we have our document open. Let me move myself over to the right here. And this is a document I was working on for the IU20 Technology Grant. And you can see that there's a highlight here. There's a comment there already. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find something else to add a comment to. So let's look down here. It says the Colonial IU20 Technology Department. So let's say I was working on this with a teacher or another colleague, and I thought that this maybe should say intermediate unit rather than IU. It could really be whatever it is that you're looking to change, but in this particular case, we'll highlight IU. We'll right-click it and we'll say comment. I'm going to move my picture again over here. So in the comment box, you can say maybe should this read, we'll say intermediate unit. Okay, and before your comment, if you type in the plus sign, you can start typing in someone's name. So let's get rid of the comment, and if we start typing in names, you'll see names come up. We can put my email address in there just for testing, and again we'll put that comment in there. Okay, and we can click the box that says assign to you. If there was someone else's email address in there, it would say assign to them, and we'll say yes, we do want to assign that to them. We'll go ahead and click on assign. Okay? And you can do that as many times as you want throughout the document. What's going to happen after you're done with all of your assignments, the recipients of your comments will get an email. So if we go into my email, okay, here I have an email that I received from a little bit ago. If we open it up, it says that Tom Kalinowski assigned you an action item in this document, and my comment is here. Please specify the exact date here. So we could go ahead and click on open. What that does is that would take the recipient of your comments straight to your document, okay, and straight to that particular comment that they received in that email. So for this particular one, it says please specify exact date here. You can see here that it says this particular item is due by 4 p.m. on the 4th Friday in April. So maybe we'll say instead of 4 p.m. on the 4th Friday of April, we'll put a comma and we'll say April. And let's see what that is really quick. 4th Friday in April, 1, 2, 3, 4, April 27th. Okay, and once done, we could go ahead and hit that check mark. Okay. And then if there were other comments, we could click on comments, and we can see that there are other things here. Here's that one that we did before. It says IU, should this read intermediate unit. Before we go ahead and address those, I want to show you how we can search our documents that are awaiting action from us. So if we go into our drive, I think in a previous tech tip, I've showed you how you can search your drive using some advanced features. And how you get there is once you're in your drive, you can click on this arrow right here. So you can see here, you can search for the type of document, who the owner might be, where the document might be. If we scroll down, there's a field here that says follow up. If we go ahead and click on that, we can say follow up on action items only. If we go ahead and click on search, what that does is that brings up every document in your drive that's awaiting for an action from you that somebody else has assigned. You can see here that the number 2 is there, meaning that there are 2 particular items in that document that need your attention. We go ahead and click that. We see that it says 2 action items. You click it, open it up, and it takes you right to the section there. So it says assigned to you, should this read intermediate unit? And for this one, we'll say no, IU is good, period. Hit reply. That'll go back to the initiator, and we can also mark that item as done. We click on comments there. We can scroll down, and we can see that there's one other item there. I'm going to just move my picture one more time. And it says one, and I wrote year question mark, meaning should we include the year? And we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll go here. Okay. And we'll check that. That's it. I mean, so that's a quick, easy way for you to work collaboratively in teams and get help or assistance or input from other people on your team. So we've learned today that you can highlight any text in a doc. You do the same thing in slides or sheets, and right-click that, click on comment. When you need help from someone else, make sure to click that or type that plus sign first, followed by their email address, and then the comment. You'll check the box that says assign. So if we go here and click comment plus, we click that assign, and we can type our message there. Please, blah 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 blah. And we click assign. That person gets an email. Hey, Tom thinks this about the document. What do you think? That person then has a chance to make those corrections or changes or reply back, and then mark it done. From a workflow perspective, or just trying to keep track of everything, remember you at any time could go into your drive, click that arrow to get to those advanced search features, scroll down, and it says follow up here. Remember, we could go ahead and click on that, and we could say action items only, and then search. That's it. That's all I was going to show you today. If you have any other questions about this or any other topics that you'd like me to cover in the future, don't hesitate to let me know. That's all for today. I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye.